Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about commodity trading. Friends, as you may already know, commodity market is open until 11:30 p.m. and you can trade in commodities like gold, silver, copper, natural gas, crude oil and lots of other commodities in this segment. So if you are a working professional or if you are someone who trades in equity during the day, you have your evening to trade on commodities. Today we will understand how commodities can be traded inside the Dhan platform. So let's get started. I have logged into my Dhan platform account, but before we proceed with commodity trading, I want you to know that the funds that you have under the money tab is a common pool which is used for both equity and commodity. So you don't need to have different margin account for equity and commodity. That is a facility you get over here by having a common margin account. Now let's head to commodity. We are on web.dhan.co and I have logged in, and over here you can see the commodities option. So we will click on this. Here you can see various strike price and commodities which you can select. Over here options is selected. If you want, you can also toggle it to futures. Let's select any one of these. For example, say silver. I have my markets which are open over here. I can look at the real-time tab and get a view of the order book. I can also go down to margin. I can also look at the option chain. I also have more options like the advanced option chain. You can see the easy buy and sell buttons right in front of you. If I click buy, I can either place an intraday order by clicking trading, or I can place a normal order over here. It could be placed at the market price. I can set a limit price, or I can use a trigger as well. My margin requirement and available funds can be seen right here, and I can toggle this to sell right over here, or I can just go out and you have a dedicated sell button as well. Over here on the right bottom, you will see create your own strategy. If you click over here, you will see a strategy builder interface open where you have several powerful tools. You also have 14 pre-built strategies under the fast create button, which you see right here, and you can select any strategy from this. A default strategy is loaded over here, and you can see its various legs, the expiry dates, and you can change any of these as per your judgment. For the selected strategy, you can see the payoff graph on the right side. You also have the P&L table. And if you want to add another leg and look at how this strategy changes, sure, just click the stick button over here and you can add another leg. You could also play with the expiry dates or change the strike prices to see how things change. For example, if I have made some tweak to this strategy, I can see the overall margin, final margin, the hedge benefit, and the net premium. If I need to add more funds, of course, there is a easy tab over here to add more funds. If you want to execute the order, there is an execute order button right here, or you could also create a basket. Now this order again can be normal or intraday. You could choose either. And if you want to double the amount of lots, you can just use this lots button, so all legs will double up. Your payoff graph shows up right here, and your target and simulations here helps you sort of see how market movements can impact your trade. For example, if I move the price and I move the date, my payoff graph will change. Same with the P&L table. If I move my price and I move my date, I can see how my P&L changes on the basis of that. That said, if you want to look for some other commodities, there is a search button here. You can search for something else here like crude oil, and you have crude oil loaded over here with its default strategy, and the same simulations work here as well, and your P&L updates or the P&L simulation updates live. So how do you find this interface and this option of custom strategy builder for commodities trading? Do let me know. I will wait for your response in comments.